today we learn about storage devices. Floppy disk is a storage device. Floppy disk is a type of removable storage media used to store data or documents. Memory card is also storage device. Memory card is an electronic data storage device used for storing digital. Hard disk is a storage device. Hard disk is an external computer component that component can store data such as application files. Memory. It is a relative memory that store the files. Flash devices is a small and portable storage devices that connect the computer and other devices